I will talk about interactive form in InDesign. So I'll create a letter size portrait without facing pages. Great. Okay. For interactive form, you need to have a workspace of interactive PDF. And I will set interactive for PDF. And after that, first I will create a rectangle to change the background color. For that color, I would use this one over here with tint like so. And I will just write a text first. Before I do that, I will lock it. And after that, I'll create a text box here and I'll type program registration form. And I'll make that one bigger. There's a different font here, like so. And I'll make that one bold. And after that, I will have name. Also, that one will have a bit bigger, 14 points. And after that, I'll have text boxes below it. And also, after that, I'll have addresses. So I'll just copy it. I'll just make that an address. And also, I'll just create another text box below it. I'll make it bigger, like so. And after that, I'll have a phone number here. So I'll just copy that on over here. I'll just change that one as a phone. And also I'll have a text box for that. And also I'll have email addresses. So I'll just have that on the right side here. And also that one will be over here as well. And I'll change that one as an email, like so. So they're all text boxes here, like that one, this one, and this one. Okay. So to do that, I will need to have interactive on the window. I'll have buttons and forms here. This one will have text field, and this one will have also text field. That one will have also text field. That one will have a text field. But this one will have name as a name, and description also will have a name. And this one also address, and also the description also address. That one also phone, phone, that one, email, this one also email. Because they're all required, I'll just make them all required. Everything is required. Without filling the information inside, they cannot submit. And after that, there will be another text box here. So that one will be what program do you want to take? So I'll just change that one also. Different font size and font. And after that, I will have text boxes here. So that one will have this one over here. I'll have 1, 2, 3. And also at the same time, over here on the right side, 4, 5, 6, like so. But I need to have the check boxes here. So the checkbox I will use checkbox, but with the black color here. I'll copy everything here and here, and at the same time, right here as well. So over here, but this one is not named, because this one should be Photoshop. But I'll just type it inside here as well. And also change that on to different font here, like so. And after that, well, it's better to use the same one, so I'll just use that one. So that is a Photoshop. But that one is not required, so I'll just change that one to this. And I'll also copy that one like this or more. And after that, really, that is, well, I'll just change that one to Illustrator. And I'll just change that one to InDesign. And also that on Advanced Design 1. That will be 2. And that will be 3, like so. And after that, you can go to the hamburger bar here, but inside buttons and forms. Before I go there, I'll just go to and select this one over here. And I will just click Simple Buttons and Forms. Or I don't need to use that one over here. I'll just use checkbox. Okay, so that one by default, normal all. That one also normal checkbox, normal off. And also that one, checkbox, normal up. That one, checkbox, normal up. That one also, checkbox, normal up. That one, checkbox, normal up as well. But whenever I do that, so that one, you can actually change that one to something else. So that is Photoshop, that is Illustrator. So that one is Photoshop, that one is Illustrator. It will have a different name. And also this one, InDesign. That one, 81, 82, 83, like so. So that one will be all checkbox. Next one will be, I will just copy that one over here. Over here. That one, I'll just type full-time or part-time. And I'll just have radio button over there. So for that, I will have radio button. Like this one, I'll just have radio buttons like this. So double click, I'll just bring it here. And also one more here. That is a radio button, but I will make the size of it smaller, like 40%, like so. And that one, if you choose it, you can see that that is radio button. And also that one is radio button. And also if you click that one, you can see that that is normal off. That will be normal off as well. And at the same time, they will have same name. For example, time. Also this one has the same name. Because it's a radio box, should have the same name. Only one can be chosen. Time. Okay, and after that, but you need to have the description for that one. So that one should be full time. And this one should be part time. Like so. And also, I will just have some text boxes here. So that one will be full time. I'll change the font. Also that one part time. And change the font here as well. Like so. So that one is radio, but what the important thing is the name should be the same, but description will be different. And after that, the last one will be other comment. And after that, we'll have text box here. like that. But the text box here, you will have text field. So that one is the text field, and that one is other comments. So this screen should comments, and also that one should be comment. Oh, you're missing the submit button here, so I'll just push that one a bit higher. That one too. And I'll have button. So to do that, over here, you can see I can have two buttons. So I'll just make that one this one and this one. So this, I'll just put that one as a reset, that one as a submit. So over here, you can type reset or clear. I'll just type reset and just make that one bigger. And also do that. And at the same time, okay. And also that will have all white color, like so. And we'll check the properties here. That is a center and looks good. And also make the size of it bigger, like that. And also I'll just put that one as a submit. And we change the size to bigger or too big. 14. And also K to D and bold. One more. A little bit bigger. And color will be white. And change the size smaller like that. Change the side. And everything should be centered here like so. And after that, you need to choose. The button will be reset. And there will be submit. And after that, I will have this one not go to page. I'll just remove that one. So this one will have submit form, and after submit, you can send to email. So I can put here mail to at gmail.com, like so. And this one over here will have on the panel options, will have not go to page, will have a clear. Oh, okay, if you do, everything is done. And after you do that, you need to save it. I will save it on my desktop first. That is the home. But whenever you do that, first you need to save it as InDesign. But whenever you export it, you can see that you can export with interactive. If you do it print, it's not working. It should be interactive. And you need to save it. And I'll just export it and click OK. Now you'll see this file. Oh, but I didn't put the text boxes here. You can put it over there later. As you see, you can that one is a multiple one, that one, only you can choose one, like so. And you can, so I will just change that one only. So that one will have a stroke. Only mistake I did, that one is a stroke. I need to have a stroke. So once you have it, everything will be okay. So this one here as well. So I'll press W, you will see how it looks like. So I'll just save it again, export, interactive, replace, export, okay. Now you'll see that this form here, like so. Oh, but I will just do this one more time because I need to delete it. I need to do it again, otherwise it'll show the previous one. I'll just go here again, export, PDF, export, click OK. I will see like this, and you can just type it like so. Oh, I didn't put the text here, so that one is the flower. You need to fix that one too. So that one over here, let me check why that one doesn't show. Oh, the reason is that one is not the text field, because that one is just text. So we don't need the text field here. That's why it shows nothing. So over here, this is not text field. So you need to remove everything here. We just need to just hide. Okay. Photoshop. I'll just change that one to this and make that one like that. And just do this. Okay, then that one should be Illustrator. InDesign. ADT1, ADT2, ADT3, and so on. So data, also I'll just type text only. So that one should be full-time. That one should be part-time. And we'll save it. And export. Home. Replace. Oh, the reason is I didn't delete it. That's why I need to delete it one more time. Open it. And I will do it again. Should be interactive. Like so. So like that. Blah, 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 blah. But if you don't fill this in, if you want to submit, it will show the error, okay, like so. And that will be chosen only one, and you can type that on here too. This one will reset as well. So this is how you create interactive form using InDesign.